Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen today. First of all, I would like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewer watchers. If you wonder, should you subscribe or shouldn't you subscribe? Yes, you should subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen. That's all you have to do. Ding! And you are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. I'd like to thank you for all your good comments you've been leaving and everything. Hope I've been getting back to them to my best ability. So today I'll be doing something special. Last week I made some chicken fried rice, and I had some comments and asking me, can I make some shrimp fried rice? Since I've been doing fried rice and on the list and everything, I'm going to make some shrimp fried rice today for all my first time viewers and wondering, can they take the top off the Power LCL? Yes, you can. That's all you have to do is wiggle. 1, 2, and lift it up. So I'm not going to use this. I put that to the side because I'm not going to use it. I'm going to plug this in. And what I'm going to do is put this on saute. What I'm going to do is move some of this stuff out my way after I tell you what ingredients I'm using today for the shrimp fried rice. You can use any kind of ingredients you want to use, but today Mr. Belle going to be using, he's going to be eyeballing some soy sauce. I'm going to use one teaspoon of rose garlic herbs, 1 teaspoon of chicken powder, 1 teaspoon of creole powder, and 1 teaspoon of onion powder. So, and then I'm going to be using about 20 shrimps, nice sized shrimps as you see, and everything. And I'm using 2 tomatoes and a celery and a half, and 1 carrot, and 3 green onions, and 1/3 of a regular onion, and a bowl of leftover rice, and a nice spoon of butter. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some of this stuff to the side, and I'll be right back. Put this on saute, and I'm going to set it for minutes. I want to set it for the temperature. I want to set it for, I'm setting it for 350, the temperature. It's on saute. And I'm just going to set the minutes for, I'm going to set it for, I'm going to put 1 hour. 1 hour to start it with. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to press start. And I'm going to get this nice, good and hot a little bit. I'm going to just put this butter in, let it melt it. Just like this. Let it melt real good. Because it's going to take a little butter to saute them shrimp. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my shrimp in here. Just saute these shrimp up nice and good. And everything. Get it nice and good. Just like that. Let that cook for a minute before I put the rest of the little more vegetables in it. And you know it don't take long for shrimp to start getting done. Put it like that. Okay, they're looking pretty good and everything. These shrimp and everything looking nice and good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start putting my veggies in. Put them carrots in. Let it get that nice little soft cook. Put my celery in. Just like that. Let that cook like that. And I'm going to put my onions in. My white onion. Let all that simmer around like that. that. And I'm going to put my green onions in. And I'm going to let this cook for a few minutes by itself so everything is sizzling and nice and good. You can use any kind of ingredients you want to use, but this right here is Mr. Belle recipe. So Mr. Belle using these ingredients. And a lot of people put eggs. I'm not putting eggs in my fried rice because I'm doing it a different way. Now I'm going to put my tomatoes in just like that. Put all that in there like that. It's looking nice and good. And everything. That's looking good. So I'm going to start pouring my seasoning. And just put it all over, just like that. Put this seasoning. You can use whatever kind of seasoning you want. Put it like that. Mix it up. It's smelling good already. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put my rice in. And it's good to use leftover rice. So I knew I was gonna make this today, so I cooked enough rice yesterday, so I have enough rice left over for today to make this. So this is gonna be delicious. And you got enough shrimp in there, you got enough vegetables in there, everything. Yeah, that's looking good. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just eyeball a little soy sauce in here like that. Just enough to get it nice and good. And that right there should be enough. Like I say, I eyeball my soy sauce and everything. Oh yeah. Get it nice and good. You want to mix it up nice and good. It's going to be delicious. Yeah. That is going to be delicious. And I'm going to leave it like that. And this right here is done. Let me see how many minutes on there. I started with 55 minutes and I still have 35. So I used 20 minutes for the fried rice. And this right here is the shrimp fried rice. I'm gonna take it out and move my camera. Yeah, I'm gonna take it out. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna press cancel and you can see how many minutes is left. I'm gonna press cancel. And I only use 25 minutes. I'm gonna unplug it. I'm gonna move my camera. I'm gonna take it out and I'm gonna put it right here in this bowl. You see all the shrimp is in there too? Put all that in there like that. Get a bit of it out. And this is your shrimp fried rice, and that's cooking with the Bells. We did it again. Leave a comment in the box. If you don't know how to subscribe, that's all you have to do. Ding! Hit that bell, and you are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Thank you.